Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix Windows Update errors either in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Simply go to your C drive, then go to Windows folder, then go to Software Distribution folder, and then select and delete all the contents of this folder. You can skip the files that can't be deleted. In the next step, search for Troubleshoot Settings and open it. Then click on Additional Troubleshooters. From here, click on Windows Update and then run the troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions and apply the fix suggested by Windows. In the next step, search for command prompt. Right-click over it and run it as administrator. Now type sfc /scan now and hit enter. Now this scanning process will take some time, so wait for the same to finish. Once done, close the command prompt window and restart your computer. After restart, search for Services and open it. From here, find the Windows Update service. Double click on it. Stop the service if it is running. Then set the startup type to automatic delayed and then start the service again and save the change. Then find Background Intelligence Transfer service. Double click on it and start the service and then save the change. Now close the services window and your Windows Update should work fine now. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.